Hello everyone, Tom72 here. It's been a while since I've filmed one of these regular videos. I've been just so busy with the Fnaf Hunger Games Season 2, and it's really hard to film other videos while managing that, but sorry for the long intro. So today we are reviewing all of my Fnaf Withered figures. So, we got 3 printed Funko Jazwares, and we're just gonna get straight into it with the biggest ones. So we're gonna start with the one and only #1 hated custom of mine. We got Withered Freddy. Ignore background noise. So yeah, this guy is actually extremely cool, and I don't know why everyone always is hating on him. This is probably the most effort I've ever put into a custom. Well, one of the most. Just, oh my gosh, bro, look at that. Now this is some freaking dedication. And lots of changes halfway through production to satisfy angry 30-year-old men online. Anyways, so next up we got Withered Bonnie. I will repair his ear in the future, but there was a tornado incident and he was damaged in the struggle of transporting them to the basement to not be destroyed. And next up, a Withered Chica. Also, these are Fnaf movie Withereds. And then here is Withered Foxy. All 3 of these have neck articulation, but Chica does not. And I heard someone on Discord say that they thought Foxy's my best custom out of these 4. No comment. No comment on that. This video is gonna have to be kind of quick, so we're just gonna try to skip through here. I mean, not skip, but you know what I mean. Next up, we got Funko Withered Freddy. Well, this is a base of Shamrock Freddy, sanded down and repainted with extra articulation. As you can see, that size is different. Size difference is cray. And then here we got, oh, is his wires missing? I'm just losing all the parts to my figures nowadays. Like, it's not even funny. There's a little incident here. Don't worry. These will all be fixed in the near future, but I've just been so busy with the Fnaf Hunger Games 2, I just haven't had the chance, really. So yeah, here's Withered Bonnie. Made this guy a few years ago. He's had changes throughout the years. But yeah, solid figure all around. And then, where is here? 3D printed Withered Chica. Not much else to it. So yeah. Alright, and then here we got Fnaf 2 Shadow Freddy. Funko. This guy is a character in the Fnaf Hunger Games 2. I wish I used this one for the series, but I didn't make it until after I started filming scenes, so I guess we'll just do this guy next. Oh, what the heck was that? Uh-oh, paint scraping. Fnaf 2 Shadow Freddy, Jazwares. I really like how he turned out. He's not been revealed on the channel yet, so hey, if you're watching this video, you get to see this custom early. I will be posting little shorts and videos throughout the production of the Fnaf Hunger Games 2 to still give you guys content in between the very long wait between episodes. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. Okay, everyone is deciding to die off camera. Anyways, here we got Withered Freddy Jazwares. Really cool. Lots of our new articulation. Pretty awesome in every single way possible. He's got a little black washing and dry brushing to the ops out there. They're upgraded. I've labeled them upgraded Withered animatronics. It doesn't need a whole new paint job. It's got a bunch of new articulation, improved withering, and improved weathering, which is the black washing and other things of that sort, so you can quit attacking me. You know who you are. And then here we got Withered Bonnie, and yes, can you believe it? That's our individual. It does have 2 wires on the top ear. So crazy. And guess what the bottom ear on this one? Funko ball joint. Whoa. Now you won't believe it. My unwithered Bonnie custom has joints on both. So crazy, yeah. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm being sarcastic. Anyway, so this is the jaw. Likes to come out extremely easily, not fun. I do not appreciate it. It is whatever. Anyways, awesome head articulation, like freaking amazing. Nice black washing of the already amazing Jazwares figure. Really nice waist articulation, lots of wiggle room, lots to do here. And of course the articulation all around, nice improved withering. Yeah, really solid custom in my opinion. I really don't care what you guys say. This is not lazy. It is a really cool looking Jazwares figure upgrade. And I get so many comments. Why don't you just collect Endo series? Why don't you do it to Endo series? See how freaking massive these are? They don't fit with the general scale I usually collect. Also, where is he? I made like one Endo series custom. I love it so much, but it's just so freaking massive. It doesn't scale with anything. So for my 10K, like one of the parts of my 10K special thing, I might start selling my Endo series figures on eBay along with some customs. Probably those guys back there. So let me know if you guys are interested. Anyways, oh, let's not do that. We're gonna do Withered Chica. Once again, another awesome upgrade here. Did get a little paint in around the eyes, not fun at all. I do not appreciate that. Nice beak movement we got going on here. Really nice head articulation as well. Beautiful joint movements, improved weathering. I mean, solid figure. I don't care what you guys say. And next up, also forgot to mention waist head articulation. This guy as well has head articulation, and this comes off very easily for an unknown reason. I do not appreciate that. Nice jaw articulation, very well waist articulation, but it does make difficulty standing like that. Like you can't really, you go like, oop, is it right there? It's fine. Also, there was a little incident here. Somehow a ball joint is being used at this joint, unfortunately. Also, this one was faulty. There's no joint. There's no joint right there. It looks like it. It's not a joint. It's whatever. Very nicely improved withering. Beautiful, 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 and beautiful weathering. And I didn't want to like Dremel all of this because like the joints would fall out, you know? Like you just can't do crazy withering with these guys without damaging the joints. I have a love-hate relationship with the Jazwares and Funko ball joints. They both have a very ginormous list of pros and cons. Next up, we got Withered Toy Freddy. We have the Withered Toy animatronics in figure form. I know they are not canon, but I've made them canon. These guys are featured in the Fnaf Hunger Games Season 2. Plot twist. Yeah, they survived Season 1. What are you going to do about it? Anyways, really nice withering and weathering. Unfortunately, no head articulation. That is a fat sacrifice I was willing to make. Really, really cool waist articulation. It works well. It works nice. Looks amazing. Nice endo parts. Anyways, yeah, really cool figure all around. I really like it. What's gone with my camera? Okay. Yeah. He just drills holes into it and paints the holes black. You can leave. You know who you are. If you guys can imagine becoming slightly popular, or the amount of popularity I am, you do get your fair share of haters. Anyways, so next up we got Withered Toy Bonnie. Oh crap, I forgot about that. These parts really easily come off. I'm gonna fix that. Come on, please stay back here. Okay, this guy does have head articulation. I had to do a different technique than what I usually do for head articulation on Jazwares figures, but it's fine. It's fine. He's withered anyway, so it doesn't bother me too much. Also, that's not good. It's whatever. Also, yeah, freaking ginormous hand, but oh well. Oh well. That's just a sacrifice I was willing to make for this beautiful, beautiful custom. I'm gonna put him back to part off screen. We're gonna hope Withered Bonnie is gonna stay there, Withered Toy Bonnie, and that he won't cause mayhem. Anyways, another unrevealed custom on this channel that I've made recently. Okay, Withered Mangle. Yeah, I made all the Withered animatronics. People were like, what about Mangle? And I was like, well, Mangle's already weathered, I guess, but I've done it. I've done it. As you can see, lots of new withering. I'll make a full video on her probably sometime later. So lots of more weathering and some withering too. Some dremeling. Nothing changed here really, but you can see there's a toe missing, some holes in it. Some holes in the hand there. Missing a finger and a half. Missing, of course, the top jaw, bottom jaw, and the eye that was left, and this eye has gone white for some reason. And the mouth, okay, now the mouth articulation's working, but most of the time it's either stuck open or stuck close. That's weird. And lots of damage here to Mangle's head. Lots of chipping here and just little things that do not look very not painful. Anyways, yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. Yeah, like look at the back. Very weathered. Looks extremely painful in my opinion. Yeah, pretty cool custom, if I might say so. Well, I guess that's pretty much the video. Oh, and if you're wondering, I'm sorry, guys, I'm sorry. No Withered Toy Chica at the moment. No Withered Toy Chica. She is scattered in 50 billion different parts in one of the many Fnaf Hunger Games Season 2 bins, so unfortunately I cannot show her. But you guys can go back to my old videos and you might be able to find the video where I review the Withered Toy animatronics. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick video, show off all my Withered figures. So I know like some people haven't seen all my videos, so like here's all the Withered ones. I'll do little videos like this, like all my toy animatronics, all my FNAF 1 animatronics, blah 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 blah. Fun stuff like that, as well as my miscellaneous Mondays, which aren't like going to the plan really, but basically like a new figure every Monday, like to help give you guys more content throughout the time of the FNAF Hunger Games Season 2, because I'm very busy with that. I'm scared. I'm scared, guys. Some examples would be Lolbit, Red Bear, some other work in progress ones like Helpy, Fixed Molten Freddy, Jacko Moon, and other ones. Oh, and also Ultimate Custom Night. An Ultimate Custom Night Fredbear. I actually just finished the YouTube short on him. So, I don't know what I'll post first. Probably this video first. It's not focusing, whatever. You'll see the short on it eventually, or if it's already released, who knows, whatever. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hype the video, check out my memberships if you're interested in more exclusive content and early video uploads. So yeah. Also watch the Fnaf Hunger Games episode 1 and wait for episode 2 and episode 3 and episode 4 and episode 5. Watch all of them. Okay, bye.